Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world around us. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, its impact is undeniable. One area where AI is making significant strides is in the realm of writing. Sophisticated algorithms can now generate human-quality text, from news articles to poetry. This advancement presents both exciting opportunities and critical challenges, especially for students like you who are navigating the complex world of information. The ability to discern between human-written and AI-generated text is becoming increasingly crucial. As AI writing tools become more sophisticated, it's easy to be fooled by their output. Understanding the nuances of human language and thought processes can help you identify the telltale signs of AI-generated content. This skill is not just about spotting the difference, it's about honing your critical thinking abilities and becoming more discerning consumers of information. The ability to critically evaluate information is paramount in today's digital age. With the proliferation of online content, it's more important than ever to be able to distinguish between reliable sources and misleading information. This is where understanding the differences between human and AI-generated text becomes crucial. By developing a keen eye for detail and a nuanced understanding of language, you can navigate the digital world with confidence and make informed decisions about the information you consume. One of the first things to look for is content accuracy. While AI models are becoming increasingly adept at generating grammatically correct and seemingly coherent text, they can sometimes stumble when it comes to factual accuracy. AI models learn from the vast datasets they are trained on, and if these datasets contain inaccuracies or biases, the AI's output will reflect those flaws. Always cross-reference information from multiple sources, especially when dealing with topics that require high accuracy, like scientific research or historical events. Another area where AI-generated text often falls short is in relevance. A human writer, with their understanding of context and audience, is better equipped to tailor their writing to the specific needs of the reader. AI, on the other hand, might struggle to maintain relevance, especially when dealing with complex or nuanced topics. Pay attention to how well the text addresses the intended audience and purpose. Does it stay on topic, or does it meander into irrelevant tangents? Look for a clear structure and logical flow of ideas. Human writers tend to structure their writing in a way that is easy to follow, with a clear introduction, supporting arguments, and a conclusion. AI-generated text, while often grammatically sound, may lack this natural flow and organization. Does the writing follow a logical progression, or does it jump between ideas in a disjointed manner? A lack of coherence and logical structure can be a telltale sign of AI authorship. Beyond content and structure, pay close attention to the language used. Human writing is often characterized by its nuance, variety, and stylistic flair. AI, while capable of mimicking human language to a certain extent, often falls into repetitive sentence structures and lacks the creativity and originality of human expression. Does the writing sound natural and engaging, or does it feel stiff and formulaic? Look for signs of originality, such as unique metaphors, humor, or personal anecdotes, which are harder for AI to replicate. The depth of analysis is another crucial aspect to consider. Human writers, with their capacity for critical thinking and emotional intelligence, can delve deeper into a topic, exploring multiple perspectives and drawing insightful conclusions. AI, while capable of processing vast amounts of information, might struggle to replicate this depth of analysis. Does the text offer insightful interpretations and original thoughts, or does it merely scratch the surface of the topic? A lack of depth and critical analysis can be indicative of AI-generated content. Originality and the presence of a unique voice are hallmarks of human writing. AI models, while capable of generating different writing styles, often struggle to replicate the distinct voice and perspective that a human writer brings to their work. Is the writing truly original, or does it feel like a rehash of ideas and arguments found elsewhere? Look for signs of plagiarism or uncredited borrowing, as AI models can sometimes inadvertently reproduce content from their training data. As AI writing tools become more sophisticated, it will become increasingly challenging to distinguish between human and AI-generated text. However, this challenge also presents an opportunity to hone your critical thinking skills and become more discerning consumers of information. By paying attention to the nuances of language, structure, depth, and originality, you can learn to identify the telltale signs of AI-generated content. The rise of AI in writing is not a threat to be feared, but a challenge to be embraced. By developing your critical thinking skills and becoming more aware of the potential pitfalls of AI-generated content, you can harness the power of these tools while staying true to the principles of originality, authenticity, and intellectual integrity. The future of writing will likely involve a collaborative dance between human creativity and AI assistance, and it is up to us to shape this future responsibly and ethically. Think about the potential implications of AI in student coursework. How can educators ensure fairness and academic integrity in an age where AI can easily generate essays and reports? What role should AI writing tools play in the classroom, and how can students use them ethically? These are just a few of the questions we must grapple with as AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives. The future of writing is in our hands, and it is up to us to use these powerful tools responsibly and ethically.